today we're gonna do foundation and just learn the basics. I always start with like a mask, like a hydrating sheet mask, lots of serum, prepare the skin for the foundation. I personally always start with the neck, décolleté first, and then I move up. I'm using a super sheer, like a water-based tinted moisturizer. And the reason I do this is because I want it to be like a silk stocking where it's a little bit of a tint versus a full coverage neck. So I'm using just a synthetic foundation brush. I like this one because it's a little thinner. It's nice and hard almost, like you can really rub it in. And instead of like swiping it across, it's really just like dabbing and pressing. I'm going in with, it's like a creamy stick formula. I always typically start putting color down where you need it the most. And because we have the tinted moisturizer underneath as well as like just moisturized skin, it's just gonna travel much better. I'm kind of stopping right where this bone is because I'm like to use a separate concealer. This is a different type of texture. Instead, I'm just gonna use a loose powder around the perimeter again, and then I'm gonna use a pressed powder just in the places that I really want the shine to be controlled. A lot of people like to use bigger brushes. I like something that's a little smaller because I can concentrate it a little bit more. Setting, I'll go in with the pressed powder, a small tapered brush. This would be like for the corners here by the nose. So I really like some parts to really shine or have a glow to it, and then some parts obviously to stay matte. So that would be around the mouth, around the chin, around the sides of the nose. There you go.